Hello Tesla guys, this is Julia from Tesery. Welcome to my channel. The channel is many review Tesla accessories. Today I will introduce forged wheels. We know that the car, in addition to the tires, are in direct contact with the ground. The wheels affect the whole car acceleration, energy consumption, braking distance, and safety in extreme cases. Tesla's original body designed to ensure the range, so pay special attention to wind resistance. That we are modifying our wheels, especially to a large size. You are recommended to choose according to their own needs. The first thing many Tesla owners do after picking up their cars is to modify their wheels. However, with many aftermarket Tesla wheels on the market now, it can be a headache to choose. Look here, Tesery has introduced a lightweight forged wheel that will easily meet your needs in all aspects of wheel modification. First, let's talk about the adaptability. The size of these forged wheels has been repeatedly tested by precise measuring tools to ensure that the size of wheel perfectly matches the Tesla Model S, Model 3, Model X, and Model Y. In terms of technology, this wheel uses a lightweight forging process. Now, 99% of the cars on the market use cast wheels, and most of them are simple to make. Compared with cast wheels, forged wheels are expensive but very good in quality. Although the appearance of forging and casting is the same, but the production materials, production process is different. The latest advantages of forged wheels. First of all, more lightweight, as well as forged wheels are several times the strength of cast wheels. Another point to consider when modifying the wheels is the weight of the car, which requires a higher weight-bearing capacity of the wheels in the case of the Tesla Model 3. Whether it's about reducing wind resistance, wheel strength, or a sense of class, Tesery's lightweight forged wheels can meet your needs. The wheel has a V-shaped design with a white paint finish, which looks very high-class and highlights the sporty feel of the Tesery. The lines of the wheel effectively reduce wind resistance at high speeds, and the design also has an extremely strong geometry structure, which together with the forging manufacturing process gives it very high strength and lighter weight. Tesery's forged wheels are not only strong, but combined with advantages of supply chain. We believe that the price is also attractive to many Tesla owners. 19-inch wheels are priced at only $1,757, which we can confirm is only a third of the price of many brands on the market. But what you get is exactly the same quality. Generally speaking, with Tesery's wheels, the overall sporting visual effect and class of the vehicle is significantly improved, while the lighter and more lightweight wheels also allow for better dynamic response and safety performance. If you like the short video, you can follow us or leave your comment. I will introduce more practical accessories in future. If you want to buy Tesla accessories, just come to Tesery. Okay, bye!